Alright, let's talk about software-defined networking, SDN for short, and why it's completely changing how networks are built and run. Imagine you're running a huge party, but instead of letting each bouncer decide who gets in, you've got a control room with every bouncer on the radio and you call the shots. That's SDN in a nutshell. So what is SDN? It's a new way to design networks where the brains, the control plane, are separated from the muscle, the data plane. The control plane, your central command, makes all the decisions about where traffic should go, while the data plane, your switches and routers, just carry out those orders. Let me break down how it works. SDN has three main layers. First, there's the application layer. This is where business apps live, telling the network what they need, like security or bandwidth. Next is the control plane. This is the SDN controller, the real genius here. It talks to both the apps and the devices using APIs like OpenFlow, and it decides how the network should behave. Finally, the data plane is made up of your switches and routers. They listen to the controller and do the actual moving of data. Here's an example. A device sends out a packet. The switch says, "Hey, controller, what should I do?" The controller thinks it through, sends back instructions, and the switch forwards the packet. Plus, it remembers the rule for the next time. Now, where does SDN shine? Data centers, like those powering Google, Amazon, and Microsoft, use SDN to quickly adapt to traffic spikes, reroute data, and balance loads. Telecom giants manage 5G and VoLTE using SDN for better efficiency. Universities and big companies keep their networks secure and flexible, isolating traffic between guests and employees. Even during security threats, SDN can lock down compromised devices in real time. And with IoT, SDN keeps thousands of connected gadgets running smoothly and securely. Bottom line, SDN means centralized control, faster changes, less hardware, smarter automation, and way better security. If you want to explore, check out tools like OpenDaylight, ONUS, or Cisco ACI. SDN isn't just the future, it's happening now.